Hey, Lindsay here with Silhouette America. I'm going to show you how to use the stencil vinyl by making some glass cups with etched monograms. I got the circle shape from the online store, and it's originally a rhinestone shape, but I thought it would be a great design for the glasses, so it doesn't matter if I resize the shape or not since I am not using it as a rhinestone template. I made it large enough to still see the monogram, but small enough to fit on the glasses. The circles are a little larger than 2 inches. I put squares around the designs so I don't have to worry about cutting around them by hand, and to give it some leeway when I'm putting on the etching cream. Make sure that your document is 9 inches wide for the stencil vinyl, and now what you want to do is go to the cut settings window and select vinyl for the material. It will tell you that you will need to change your blade to the setting 2. Alright, now that your file is all ready to cut, what you want to do next is position the roller to the very far left side since the stencil vinyl is 9 inches wide. And then after you've done that, push down the arrow so that the load media is selected in the Cameo screen, and then hit enter to load your vinyl, and then make sure that you change your blade to make sure it's at the setting 2, and then after that you are set to cut, and just hit cut in the Silhouette Studio. Okay, once it's done cutting, hit enter to unload and trim off the piece that you are going to use. The next thing that you want to do is weed out the part that you are going to etch, and to do that I use the Silhouette hook. It comes in very handy to get the little teeny pieces out. So after you have weeded everything out of your design, it should look something like this, and it's all set to go. And so now what you want to do is grab some transfer paper and cut off a piece that will cover the design completely. So to get it started, peel off, start peeling from a corner of the transfer paper, and then what I like to do is I like to line it up with my design, and then just attach it to the side, and then peel off the transfer paper, and then use the scraper tool to smooth out any bubbles when you're applying the transfer paper, and it makes it a lot easier. Once that's all done, I just cut the 2 designs in half, and then peel off the transfer paper with the stencil vinyl attached and position onto the glass where you would like it to go. And then a good thing to do beforehand is to clean your glass so that your etching will be very precise. Rub the transfer paper on real good so the vinyl sticks to the glass, and then peel off the transfer paper, making sure the stencil vinyl is in contact with the glass now. The next thing you want to do is get some etching cream and apply it to your design. If you want, you can use the squeegee to help spread the etching cream evenly. Make sure that you don't get any etching cream outside of your design, or else that part will be etched or frosted as well. Alright, once you have it applied, let it stand for 15 minutes before doing anything to it. Now that it's been 15 minutes, just remove as much of the etching cream as you can and put it back in the bottle to use again, and then wash the rest off under running water, and you can peel off the stencil vinyl and give it another good wash. But I left my stencil vinyl on so you can see how well it comes off and how well the design turns out. And here's what the finished product will look like when you're all done. You can still wash the glasses in the dishwasher and it won't hurt the etching. This is just one of many ways you can use the stencil vinyl. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.